In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut on PC. So go to Import and select the video you want to edit, and then go to Open, and this will add it to your project. Then you want to simply left click on that video and then drag it onto your video timeline. So what you want to do once you have this video is simply go up to ratio here, and then you want to left click on it, and this is where you can change the aspect ratio to anything you'd like. Now, the two most popular ones are 16 by 9. This is what you'd see on mostly every long form YouTube video besides shorts. And if you want something like 9 by 16, this would be for YouTube shorts, TikTok, and more. Now, if your video doesn't fit, for example, a TikTok or YouTube short, all you need to do is simply select your video on the player, and then you can click and drag to make it bigger. And you can also move it on the X or Y axis to fit it properly. So once you're happy with that, you've now changed the aspect ratio on your video, and you can always revert back to 16 by 9 and can make it smaller again using the scale option and then just manually adjusting it to the correct size. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.